Use the change of base rule to express the log base 3 of 19 as described. A, in terms of common logarithms, B, in terms of natural logarithms, and C, approximated to 4 decimal places. We'll start with part A, where we need to rewrite log base 3 of 19 in terms of common logarithms. So we have the log base 3 of 19, which, using the change of base rule, is equal to the log of the argument, so of 19, divided by the log of the base, so divided by log of 3. So we've changed the base to be in terms of the common logarithm. In part B, we need to change to be in terms of natural logarithms. Once again, we'll use the change of base rule. So we have the log base 3 of 19, and that's going to be equal to, this time our base will be e. We have the natural log of 19 divided by the natural log of 3. And in part C, we're asked to approximate to 4 decimal places. We can do this using either the expression that we found in part A or the expression that we found in part B and use a calculator. So we can evaluate the common log of 19 divided by the common log of 3, or we can take the natural log of 19 divided by the natural log of 3. Either way, we will find that the log base 3 of 19 is approximately equal to 2.6801.